Today we're looking into the story of Mel Schilling, a well-known relationship expert and television personality best recognized for her role on Married at First Sight. Known for her warmth, insight, and calm presence on screen, Mel became a familiar face to audiences around the world. But behind the scenes, she was fighting a serious illness that would ultimately take her life. So, what type of cancer did Mel Schilling have? Let's find out. Mel Schilling first revealed in December 2023 that she had been diagnosed with colon cancer, also known as bowel cancer. The diagnosis came after doctors discovered a tumor in her colon, marking the beginning of a difficult and emotional journey. Colon cancer affects the large intestine and can be life-threatening, especially if it spreads. Despite undergoing treatment, including surgery and chemotherapy, Mel's condition became more serious over time. As the disease progressed, the cancer spread to her lungs and later to her brain, entering an advanced stage known as metastatic cancer. At this point, treatment becomes significantly more challenging, as the illness is no longer confined to one area of the body. Sadly, after battling the disease with strength and openness, Mel Schilling passed away in 2026, leaving behind her family, fans, and a lasting impact through her work and advocacy. So, what type of cancer did Mel Schilling have? Mel Schilling had colon cancer, a form of bowel cancer that later became metastatic, spreading to other parts of her body. Her story is a powerful reminder of the importance of early detection and the reality of how aggressive cancer can become. Even in the face of such a difficult diagnosis, she remained strong and continued to inspire many with her honesty and resilience. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on public figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.